One aspect that we're looking at is how many people are back and how is that affecting production. In most cases, it might affect quality. The reason it might affect quality is because all of those quality control experts and managers might not yet already be back. Now, the way we've mitigated this with Blinc is we manage all of the QC, all of the QA, and all of the manufacturing itself. So we are able to be up and running since all of our team is back to work. Now, there's also some of the help that we're providing our suppliers with. We have a couple of production lines that we've dedicated to making face masks. That has gone a long way in getting approval from the provinces, the city, and even the industrial park owners, because they are then asked by the Chinese government to get these companies up and running so they can produce those face masks. And we're also very happy to help out the local population however we can.